guys in 111. I'm here to demonstrate the entire system. So first, need to identify the patient. So sir, what's your name? Your date of birth? Okay, sir, I'm gonna check your wristband. So, sir, my name is Jen Colante. I'm here to assess your integumentary system, your nails, your skin, and your hair. The purpose of the assessment, sir, is to know if there's any infection level in the integumentary system. Okay, sir, I'm gonna need to have your consent na mo touch your skin, sa imong hair, sa imong nails. Okay, sir. Perform a hand hygiene. Sir, first, now na to if na by discoloration sa imong skin, pieces, or lesions. Okay, sir, you're gonna check the texture of your skin.
First, we're going to inspect the overall skin color.
After that, check na ang temperature mo.
Next is we're going to inspect the vascularity, bleeding, and bruising.
All i-assess ang imong skin sa imong clavicle, sir. You know if dehydrated ka or not.
Such as
Ako yung picture ka ba, sir?
scratches, cuts, and
So, dapat mabalik siya agad,
if present,
kaya
check
3 seconds. Kung
the
dili, okay sir, dehydrated ka, sir.
and the size
Check ko rin mong sir. Diin. Para check na drive na may edema. Mag-put ko gamay yung pressure. Okay, sir. Pwede niyo kaya yung nail, sir. This is to check, sir, if may possible clubbing. Okay, sir, i-check ko na ito ang imong nails for any discoloration, changes of shape. After that, I'm gonna check
the skin using the back of our
cards, hair,
to assess the temperature.
for any possible infestation.
You are touching the outer layer of the skin.
And that's all.
Or the temperature.
After that,
Next is
I'm gonna I'm gonna wash my hands. And for the documentation, sir, based na akong pag-assess mo, all goods na akong pag-assess na ako niya. Normal na ako ang imong